Hi, I'm Alston. First, thank you so much for checking out our managed domain service page. Before we get into that, we are Maxinium, a small digital growth agency with the primary goals of helping you to succeed in your business through internet solution in an affordable price. We are not a traditional marketing agency with big overheads, big offices, or unnecessary procedures, contracts. We are a modern day agency, so we are able to provide affordable solution for the client at the same time without compromising any quality on their work. Okay, what I mean by managed domain service. Before that, let me explain briefly what is a domain. Domain is a website address. It's not anything else. Just if you're here in our website, you can see it's maxinium.com, or if you go into youtube.com, or google.com. So the name which I am just pronouncing is called domain. It's almost like a signboard on the internet saying this is your website. So when I mean website, domain is, it's not a website, it's just the name which points to your website. Okay, so in international examples, Maxinium, YouTube, all these things. In a local example, we will see newsfirst.lk, or even our sub company Marketing.lk. So these are what it says, the local specific domain name. Okay, what I mean by managed domain service, we are not another domain registrar where you register your domain, you manage all these things, and this is not a domain registering service. What we offer is, it's a totally fully domain managed services. We know that you would need domain address, but we can't assume that you are always being going to be an expert on domains. You will be know how to manage the domain, how to register a domain, all these things, and even to manage maintenance. So if you are not a technical person, or if you simply don't have the time to properly manage, that's what this service comes into play, because we offer all in one service to our customer. The first what we are offering is, we will help you to pick the right domain name and guide you on the process. You wouldn't believe how many business fall into a trap of not getting the right domain name for their business. Later they will be able to change the domain name, but they will lose their credibility, they will lose all the power of that domain name, they will lose the brand recognition. And so it's really important to choose the best domain name with the extension. So we will guide you through that process. Second, we will do the domain registration on your behalf, on your account, to make sure that all the correct details are given during the domain registration and it has been verified correctly with DNS. Third, we will set up your domain name and connect it to your own hosting, or we also provide web hosting service. You will be able to check it out under our web hosting service page. So what we will be doing is, we will be connecting this domain name with the web hosting service, or if you already have a web hosting also, we will set it up to link to your web hosting. Then we will be providing maintenance like verification, any other problems with the domain, and even we will be focused on renewals. All these things will be coming under the management platform. So these are the main services we offer. Basically, why you should hire us? We are not a traditional registered company where we offer registration for the customer. That's it. We provide a full fledged domain management service, and we will help you to guide and walk you through all the processes. It's not a generic service, and we follow the industry updates when it comes to, so you don't need to stay updated on the industry news regarding domain names. We will keep you updated. If there is any problems, we will let you know. We also provide full domain DNS setup help. We also connect your website to hosting. We support all the international extension, but please do keep in mind some extensions. For example, Australian domain, local Australian domain, they need a verification method for the domain. The person who is registering the domain need to be in the country. So in cases like that, you would need to provide domain verification. So if you have any custom questions, please feel to ask us through the contact us page, and we will help you and guide you. There is no commitment involved. Finally, we also have the support to register.lk domain. If you are a Sri Lankan business or your main primary target audience is in Sri Lanka, the better option for you will be to get in .lk domain. So if you want to get a .lk domain for your business, we will guide you. We will guide you on the verification process, setup process, management. All these things are covered under our domain management service. So you can check out this page. We have given more details, and also we have given the pricing. Even if you have any custom requirement, you think you need to talk with us, there is a button below. Please use that button below to contact us, so we will be able to help you in your domain search. So if you are interested in this service, please use the contact us below button and we will help you. Thank you.